here, how to make it with HDMI. The duration was 3 minutes. Okay? So we just start from class. Wait, let me start first. Hi, good morning, Andrea. For today's class, I will be teaching you regarding 2D and 3D shapes with its formula, and objective for the question is how to you will become familiar with this formula regarding 2D and 3D shapes. Okay? Okay, so we start from this video.
So if we look at our cube, this has a total of 8 vertices because it has 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. 12 edges because it has 4 at the top, 4 around the middle, and 4 at the bottom. And 6 faces. If we move the cube over, the other 3D shapes that you need to know are the cuboid, which is like a cube, but it's being stretched out because it can have rectangular faces rather than all square faces. The triangular prism, which has triangles at either end, connected together by 3 edges. And then the 2 types of pyramid, which are the triangle-based pyramid and the square-based pyramid. And they're called this because they both look like pyramids and are either a triangle or a square at the bottom. Also, one thing to point out is you might sometimes hear the triangle-based pyramid being called a regular tetrahedron. But this is just a special case of a triangle.
Which one you want to do first? Okay. Kena touch. That's called game touch. And you or perhaps you want to use pen. To write your answer here. Okay, there. Okay, just give them time to read the answer properly. Don't stress, just enjoy the questions. Since the question is will we come up with in your mock exam. So supposedly it will be your exercise. Sorry? Since one of you the review based from and eight. So pass it this first, then they can do the reviews. One or two, and then you can do the so this one pass with eight, then go through the then pass with eight high. The high was 8, 4. You know what it is? Wait, no. You want to use marker? Okay. This one doesn't have ink. Perhaps you can do this. the rectangle, how to calculate the area must then times with width. So 9 times with 18. So yes, okay, this answer is correct. Alright, so this one. What is area of a circle with a radius of 5 cm? Since the area of circle is must be area pi r square, because this r is our radius. Okay, so pi must be 5 power of, so 25 pi. Okay, what is area of a triangle with a base of 10 cm and height of 6 cm? Okay, the area was 1, how to calculate area for triangle? 1/2 times base and height. So the question gives you 10 times width, the height was 6 cm. So 1/2 times width, 10 times width 6. So your answer is 30. So this is correct. The cuboid has a length of 8 cm, a width of 6 cm, the height of 4 cm. What is volume? Okay, for calculate for formula volume of cuboids. Okay, the shape of cuboid is like this. Not too much cuboid here. And then volume length plus times width height. Okay, so 8 times 4 times 6. You get 192. Okay, that's correct. What is the area of a trapezoid with a base of 12 and 8 cm and a height of 6 cm? Okay, area is 1/2 times with base. Both base is base 1 and plus base 2 times with height. So the formula 1/2 times base 1, which is 12, times with plus with 8 with base 2 times with height. So the height was 6. 16, that's correct. I think you can do your mock exam already. Okay, a cylinder has a radius of 7 cm and the height of 10 cm. What is a volume? Okay, the volume for a cylinder was pi r squared plus height. Alright, so radius was 7 squared and the height was 10. And get this 1/2. Radius 0 cube plus times height is 10. Also, alright, that's correct. A rectangle has a length of 15 cm and the width is 10 cm. What is area? Okay, for this one, area is length times width. So 10 times width 15. You get? Alright. Okay, this one is easiest questions. What is radius of the rectangle? If the side is 6 cm and 12. Okay, since you have 6 and 12, just times with both, you get 70. Okay, what is area of a square if each side is measured at cm? You can use the formula sides times sides. Okay, the shape of square is 2D, which is you have only sides. Okay, so this one is 8 cm, here 8 cm. So to get the area here, just times this one and this one. Okay, 8 times with 8, you get 64. Alright. So this one is correct. Okay, congrats earlier. You have 9 correct. Alright. Okay, I give you a long If I have a book, I give the execution. It is, if I give you a book like this, it's a rectangle, right? What is area for this book? What formula for the area? Sorry? Okay, that's correct. If like my book is 5, this one is 4, how the total area? How much do you get? 20? Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so we have correct all the technical things. So we can proceed for another games. Okay, so I this one first. Have you copied this formula? No. Because our next formula will be okay, right now in my hands has a multiple of question. So let's choose. Alright, read loudly.
What is the area of a rectangle with the length of a centimeter and width of 5 centimeters?
Alright, and then the question on you, the area. Okay.
40.
40. How do you get 40?
40.
40, how do you get?
Length times width.
Okay, that's correct. Okay. Next question.
What is the name of a 2D shape with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles?
What definition is it?
What is the name of a 2D shape with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles?
Alright, so you want to change the questions? Okay, because since this one is easy, but the division 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. This one is direct, it's square. No, because the hint was 4 equal sides. Equal does it? Same size, right? So same size must be square. 4 rectangle. So this one same, this one is different. It's okay? Same, this one same. But the total 4 side is different. Alright. I think this one is easy.
If two angles of a triangle are 40 and 60, what is the third angle?
Alright, let's calculate. In the question, if you read this, oh, yes, correct.
14.
Right? So in
4-3B.
alright, that's correct. The answer is B. Congrats, Alia. Seem to have mastered this topic. Okay, so right now we will take a look one video. Okay, regarding the topic.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shivansh Tomar of Class 8B of City Vocation Public School. Today,
In geometry, a shape can be defined as a form characterized by its number of sides, the size of its angles, and its dimensions. Depending on the properties, the shapes in math can be defined as a 2D or 3D shape, or a regular or an irregular shape. But today, we're going to focus on recognizing 2D and 3D shapes and study their properties. What's the difference between 2D and 3D shapes? One of the easiest ways to understand the difference between 2D and 3D shapes is by identifying how 2D shapes are flat and 3D shapes are solid. For example, if you place a 2D shape on a table, it will lie flat on the surface. If you place a 3D shape
This
on a
one
table,
is
it will
about
unroll
difference
and
of
stand
2D
upright.
shape and 3D shape.
Furthermore, a 2D shape has only two measurements, length and height. A 3D shape has three measurements, length, height, and depth or width. Now, let's take a look at some 2D shapes. Circle. Circles only have one side and no corners. Here are some real-life examples. Triangle. Triangles have three sides.
Sorry, you have to start. Okay.
All the sides are the same in a regular triangle, characterized by its number of sides, the size of its angles, and its dimensions. Depending on the properties, the shapes in math can be defined as a 2D or 3D shape, or a regular or an irregular shape. But today, we're going to focus on recognizing 2D and 3D shapes and study their properties. What's the difference between 2D and 3D shapes? One of the easiest ways to understand the difference between 2D and 3D shapes is by identifying how 2D shapes are flat and 3D shapes are solid. For example, if you place a 2D shape real-life examples. Triangle. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. All the sides are the same in a regular triangle. Square. A square is a regular shape. It has 4 straight sides and 4 corners. All the sides are the same length.
All the sides are the same sign, okay? The keywords for the square.
Rectangle. Rectangles have 4 sides and 4 corners. They have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Pentagon. A pentagon has 5 straight sides and 5 corners. All the sides are the same length in a regular pentagon. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. All the sides are the same in a regular hexagon. Octagon. An octagon has 8 sides.
Alright, so we stop here for a while. Since the video have 8 informations, I give you shapes. Okay, you guess what kind of shape is this? Okay, that's correct, rectangle. How about this one? What kind of shape is this? Okay, that's correct. It is square. Okay, let's proceed our video.
It's in 8 corners. All the sides are the same in a regular octagon. Oval. Ovals only have 1 side and no corners. Rhombus. A rhombus has 4 straight sides and 4
This one,
corners.
rhombus.
All the sides are the same length. Parallelogram. Parallelograms have 4 sides and 2 pairs of parallel lines. The sides are not necessarily of equal length or have congruent angles. Trapezoid.
Okay,
A
this one is
trapezoid
trapezoid.
has 4 straight sides and 4 corners. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Now that we've learned a few 2D shapes, let's move on to 3D shapes. Every 3-dimensional object has 3 measurements. These are length, height, and width. Faces are the flat sides on an object. This cuboid has 2 square faces and 4 rectangle faces. Edges are the lines where 2 faces meet. A triangular prism has 9 edges. Vertices are the corners of a 3D object where 3 or more edges meet. This is a square-based pyramid. Square-based pyramids have a square base, 4 triangular faces that make a sharp point, 5 faces, 5 vertices, and 8 edges.
Do you understand why this?
Here's a real-life example. This is a hexagonal, 5 vertices, and 8.
Do you understand what is a square base? What is? Is it the below here? Okay, and then 4 triangle faces that they make a sharp point. Okay, this one have edges here. They are all the face that make a sharp point. This means 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is it clear? Okay, right. And then 5 faces. What do you mean by 5 faces?
That's your face.
The other face is a face, which is have 5. Okay, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the middle one. So the total was 5. Okay, 8 edges was
Monkeys. The corners.
alright. That's correct.
Edges. Here's a real-life example. This is a hexagonal pyramid.
good job, Alia. So we have another 10 minutes. Yes, alright. Okay. I repeat again. For this one, what kind of shape is this?
Rectangle.
Yes, this one is rectangle. And then if I have 10 here, I have 5 here. So the total of area is 10 here, and this side was 5. So the total area is, I give it to you, 50. You want this times right? 10 times by 5, you get 50. Okay, that's correct. Another 10 minutes. So just okay. Since we have 10 minutes. Do you have any questions? Alright, so for today's class, you already know what kind of 2D and 3D shapes and how it use your formula. Okay? Alright, so before we end our class, that's all is our objective here. Alright, thank you, Elisa. Thank you so much. Okay, for tomorrow class, we will do more exercise for your mock exam. Since your mock exam, do you know what time for your mathematics? What the day it was? Sorry? Is it 10 or 9?
9. Of today, 9.
9.
9.
Alright. So I will do more
Assessment lah.
assessment too. Oh, alright. Yeah, assessment. Tomorrow, also the assessment.
Assessment lah.
Alright, your assessment too. Very nice, good questions. I like students that ask me what kind of questions. These two? Yeah, okay. Since you have already know your level 1 questions, level 1 just about formula, you have passed your quiz 1. So I directly with level 3 and level 4 questions. Okay? Okay, this one doesn't have multiple choice. Well, level 3 and level 4 question all about workflow. That's me. It gives you a sentence. Give you a sentence, for example, radius equal to 3 cm. What is circumference? For circle. Okay, this time of level 3 question, you have 5 questions. Okay? How about what is area of circle? Area of square? Perimeter side 5 cm. So perhaps maybe you have a diagram 5 cm here and 5 cm here. Okay? This will include your level 3 questions, which is we have a total of 5 questions. 5 questions, okay? It's about 2D and 3D shapes. Okay? Circle also include on your 2D topic because it's a circle. Okay, for level questions, also about 5 questions. Why? You can take picture of this.
Okay.
Total 5 questions. You nak salin ke? Okay, here. Okay, level 4 questions. Also, level 4 also have 5 questions. Is include percentage. Okay. This one need to have percentage and ratio because because it will be included on your mock exam. So your assessment 2 also exercise for your mock exam. Okay, it will be similar. This one perhaps percentage. Yeah. 3 questions. 4 and 5 is regarding ratio. Okay, what 3 cup for 1 liter. Contoh, example, what 2 liter, how many cup? How many cup? Okay, 4 and 5 will be ratio. 1 until 3 percentage. For example, sale price. Okay, instant. Tak snap kan? Tak perlu. Alright, so you are ready.
Ini question semua sampai nanti tu kan dekat
Mock
mana?
exam. Betul. Kalau if you can increase tu, you also can do the mock exam. But for mock exam, the circle will be multiple choice.
Multiple choice.
A, B, C, and D. Okay. For this type of question, you need to show the workflow. Jangan tiba-tiba don't suddenly you have the answer, but you do not show the work. You will lose a lot of marks. Okay. This one test you regarding the workflow. Okay. For multiple choice, okay, you can choose directly. You don't have to show the workflow. Alright, that's all. Okay, we have another 5 minutes. Is there any questions? Are you ready? Since you seems ready. Even though I think I did starting percentage and ratio. I think. Because I have covered for circle for 3 weeks already. Starting with the starting from your theatre drama, always circle, and then proceed. Halloween week, also circle. The total I teach you about circle is 3 weeks. The percentage and the ratio only 1 week.
I did very fast please.
Perhaps 2D you have learned before, so I didn't need to catch too much. Alright, so okay, you have another 5 minutes with me. I will briefly discuss your activity for this quarter. Okay, we have another 3 weeks before your sem break, right? So the student know what the teachers do. I will take mock exam. Mock exam week. We will start 9 and 10 December. Your semester, your last day for your semester was okay, and then the 12 is a Saturday. You holiday already. Start your holiday. This one will be on Friday, and we have Christmas event. Ada teacher cakap, engkau ada first teacher. Say it. Okay, since we have since I want to okay, for Christmas, the teachers start meeting yesterday. We have I also just know the Christmas event. Kita tema kita the winter is coming. This is our thing. The anything to do